Greetings, friends. How are you? I'm Syed Musab Hashmi, advocate from India, studying LLM International Law in UK. Today's topic will be about profitability. I would like to give a disclaimer that this is not an investment advice or business advice, and this is just I'm sharing my general knowledge with you. And also, whatever profit happens is yours, and whatever loss happens is yours. And I am not asking for any investment in my business or my friends or affiliated businesses. This is a general thing. You are responsible for whatever happens, but this is the thing. About doing business and about doing jobs. I'm very happy with those people who are already doing their jobs and they are happy in their jobs. It's better they continue in that when they are getting a regular income from there and they are happy in their jobs. It's always best to be in a safe and secure job. But those people who would like to do businesses about them, what I would like to advise is that in the present situation of the world and in the coming days, these 4 or 5 fields are more profitable when compared to the other fields. That is my opinion. I could be correct or I could be wrong. That's a different story. Those fields, according to me, are education, real estate, software, export import, media, and emerging technologies. So these are the various things. So if you are planning to open a business or you already have one in which you can do certain modifications, try to see that what are your historical things, what are your foundations, what is your history. According to that, which one will match, whether it will be education, whether it will be software or real estate or export import or media or new emerging technology. Then, whenever you are doing business, two things are very important. One is that you give taxation reporting and pay proper taxes to the government in the place where you are operating. And also there are various other compliances by the government in place which you have to follow when you are doing business. However, there are few countries which are tax free. You can Google the list, and if you are able to go there and if you want to avoid the taxation, you can go there and do businesses. But in the initial point, when you go from a taxing country to a tax-free country, at that stage you will have to give reporting to the country in which you are taxed. And in the future business, when you are entirely operating in the tax-free nation, then you need not give the reporting to your previous country in which taxation was there, except if you are a resident there, a tax resident there, or if you are an US citizen, then you'll have to pay tax on your worldwide income. And there are various other things. That's why in the beginning I told that this is not a investment or business advice. We'll just be speaking generally. Whatever you do, it will be your responsibility. So reporting is there in most of the countries. Then at the level, you can invest or do business in your city. You can do it at your country level, or you can do it at your locality in which you are staying. And then you can do it at international level also. When you are doing it at international level, for example, if you are working in 2, 3 countries, then you'll have to give reporting and taxation thing in all those 2, 3 countries. Then there are now we'll come to real estate business. In real estate business, there are various things like you can become an agent if you're not having a lot of investment with you. You can make the buyer and the seller meet with each other and then take a commission from both of them. Then you can do wholesaling, or that is also known as BMP, below market price, or LMP, lesser than market price contract, in which you find out those things which are less than market value, and then You can make a contract with the seller, and you can make a contract with the buyer and make a small profit between the buyer and the seller. Then you have flipping and repair and reselling. You can buy a house which needs a little bit of repair, and then you can do the repair and sell it for a higher price. And for the repair and for the buying, you can either do it by yourself, or you can go to the banks and different things. Then renting. You can buy a house and give it entirely for rent. With that also you can get some profit. Then real is in estate investment trusts, in which you buy shares in a real estate company, and then that real estate company invests in real estate. Crowdfunding. You can go online and show a cause and collect money for that cause, and then invest in real estate, and then either sell it for a profit, or you can give it for rent. Another thing is real estate, one of the very highly inflationary asset. So even if you don't do various things which I discussed just now, you just buy it today and sell it like 5 years afterwards, then also there are high chances that you'll make a profit. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. By the way, we are having online real estate and online law classes going on, in which Mr. Naeem and team are organizing, and I am one of the persons taking classes on various topics. Then we have Sayyid Ilyas, senior advocate, and Nasir Khan, senior advocate. Then uh, for offline thing, Mirza Ijaz Ali Beg Sahab will give the offline class, and then we have Mr. Srinivas, the in-house counsel, and other people who will guide you. And if you want to take the online class on real estate general knowledge and legal general knowledge, you can contact us, and then we'll be doing it online mostly on the weekends. Okay, bye bye.